Morning class 5. Welcome to our science class. So, we are in the chapter Food and Health. In our last two classes, we already discussed the whole chapter, and today we will discuss on the objective type question answers on this chapter. Okay. So, before that, we will go through the main points on this chapter. So, I'm going to tell you the main points on this chapter. Please listen it carefully and try to remember all the main points. Nutrients present in food are proteins, carbohydrates, fats. Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. Water and roughage are essential for our body. Proteins help in growth and repair of the body cells. Fats protect body parts, maintain body temperature and gives energy. Carbohydrates are the main energy source for the body and are easy to digest. Vitamins and minerals are required in small quantities and help in proper functioning of different body parts. And roughage helps the body to get rid of wastes. A balanced diet is essential to stay healthy and keep fit. Junk food has very few nutrients in it. Sprouted and fermented foods are good for health. And now, diseases. Bad eating habits and unhealthy lifestyle leads to diseases. Obesity is having much more weight than normal due to constant eating. Anemia causes loss of energy, tiredness and loss of appetite. People suffering from diabetes, it's a diabetes, anemia disorder, lifestyle diseases. Diabetes feel excessive thirst, hunger and tiredness. They pass excess of urine. High blood pressure results from stress, anxiety, lack of exercise and eating too much salty and fatty foods. Deficiency of a particular nutrient causes deficiency diseases. Kwashiorkor and marasmus are deficiency diseases of proteins. Night blindness, scurvy and beriberi are deficiency disease of vitamins. So, these are all the main points on this chapter, and an important point I am missing out, that an act of mixing poor quality, inferior, harmful, useless and unnecessary substances to food is called as food adulteration. Okay? So these are all the main points of this chapter, and I am going to tell you the objective type question answers on this chapter. And before that, I am telling you, remember all that there is much more questions than I am giving you today. In objective type questions, there is in every line of the chapter there is some questions. So always go through the chapter very carefully and try to remember all the chapter. Read it thoroughly. Okay. And next, I'll give you the question discuss the question answers today, objective type question answer, and next day I'll give you all the question answers and definitions and the differentiation, give reasons, etc. And then I'll give you the whole question answers PDF of the chapter. Okay. So let us start the objective type questions on this chapter. Chapter 3, Science. Name of the chapter, Food and Health. So, A. Give one word answer for the following. Question number 1. This builds and repairs our body and give energy. The answer is food. Next question 2. The nutrients help us to grow and repair our body. Proteins. Question number 3. These nutrients are also called energy-giving food. Carbohydrates and fats. Question 4. Fats and milk products, meat and fish help our body to build this. Answer is healthy nerve tissues. Question 5. Constipation is caused by lack of roughage and water in food is the answer. Lack of iron intake in the diet causes this disease. Answer is anemia. Name the disease in which a person has high amount of sugar in the blood? Answer is diabetes. Question 8. High blood pressure is also called this. Answer is hypertension. Question 9. Fiber present in the food is called? Answer roughage. Question 10. Lack of vitamin D caused this disease? Answer rickets. Question 11. An unhealthy diet and no physical activity caused this type of diseases? Lifestyle diseases. Next, 12. This disease is caused due to lack of vitamin C. Answer scurvy. Scurvy. Question 13. Substance used by an organism to survive, grow and remain healthy is called? Answer nutrients. Question 14. To keep ourselves healthy in body and mind, we need this. Answer balanced diet and daily exercise. Question 15. Act of mixing poor quality, harmful, unnecessary substances to food is called this. Food adulteration. Next is fill in the blanks. Dash are also, number 1, dash are also called bodybuilding food. Proteins are also called bodybuilding food. Next, number 2, vitamin. Number 2, dash help our body to fight diseases. Answer vitamins. Question 3, dash helps in digestion. So, answer is water. We should write water in the blank. Proteins repair blank. Answer is cells. Cells. Question 5. Eating junk food regularly can cause dash. Answer is nutrient deficiency. Question 6. We should use less oil for dash food. For healthy food. Next, number 7. Consuming a balanced diet help us to increase our working capacity. Question 8. A person with too much body fat is called dash. Answer is obese. Question 8. A person with too much body fat is called obese. I'm already telling this. Next, 9. Question 9. Low blood pressure is a disease called dash. Answer is hypotension. Low blood pressure is called hypotension. Question 10. Diseases caused due to the lack of nutrients in the diet is called deficiency diseases. Next, night blindness is caused due to lack of vitamin A is the answer. Beriberi occurs due to lack of blank in our diet, vitamin B. Next, question 13. The disease caused due to severe deficiency of protein is answer marasmus. Fresh air is important for a dash life, healthy life. Next, we should use stairs instead of elevator. Blank to prevent lifestyle diseases. Answer is elevator. Okay. Next, dash is adulterated by adding water. Milk. Milk is adulterated by adding water. Next, question 17. Fat deposit around the waist is one of the symptoms of obesity. Blank here and the answer is obesity. Question 18. Canned vegetables or fruits have less natural dash. Answer is vitamin C. Now, I'll give you some homework. You all do this and in the next day, I'll give you the answers and then check it out. Okay. Give 2 examples for each of the following. Number 1, food rich in iron. You should write here 2 examples. 2 examples of food which rich in iron. And next, food rich in vitamin D. You should write here 2 food which rich in vitamin D. Next, number 3, food rich in iodine. You should write here 2 food rich in iodine. Food rich in vitamin C. Food rich in protein. Junk food. You should write here 2 types of junk food. 2 junk food. Name of 2 junk food. Next, food rich in carbohydrates. and food rich in fat. So these are 1 to 8. You write here 2 examples for each. Next D, write true for correct statement and false for the wrong statement. Next, number 1, by adding sugar and water, honey is adulterated. You should write here true or false. Knock knees, pigeon chest and bowed legs are symptoms of anemia. You should write here true or false. Next, number 3, we should replace healthy snacks with junk food. True or false? You should write. Next, 4, sprouted food is rich in nutrients. True or false? You should write here. Next, number 5, diabetes and obesity are deficiency diseases. You should write here true or false. 6, balanced diet cause unhealthy brain. Is it true or false? You should write. Next, 7, fresh fruit and vegetables are a rich source of vitamins. You should write true or false here. Next, 8, the main components of our food are nutrients, roughage and water. You should write here true or false. Okay. So these are the homework for you, and you all go through the chapter well and then write it here. And next day I'll give you the answer, then check it with this my answer. Okay. So this much for today's class, and till the next class, bye.